So as you can see, I've got a bunch of yard to mow. There's a lot of it, and the grass is getting thick, and there's more in the front yard. But one of the advantages of having a little truck like my Felicia is that when you see something on the side of the road and you think it's useful, you throw it in the bed and you bring it home and you can tinker with it, which is what I'm gonna do today because I found this. Yep, free lawnmower, and I'm gonna show you everything it's gonna take to get it running now. So I found this lawnmower sitting on the side of the road, and it doesn't appear to be seized, but the pull string, it's no string no more. So I decided to take it apart, see if we can fix it. And there's why. There's actually no mechanism in here. I don't know why even the top was on it. Okay, plan B. Okay, that'll work. That'll hold that in place while we get her cranked up. Don't run the mower when that's on there though. Come back here and take this off. It's there for safety, so if you hit a rock and the blade explodes or whatever, you can let go of this. She'll run, she'll run. And there you go. It's on the side of the road because the reel broke. He took it apart and couldn't figure out how to restring it, or the mechanism was broken. So then he just popped the top back on it and set it on the road for trash collection, I guess, or for someone like me to come along and grab it. I don't even think I'm gonna fix the reel. I'm just gonna keep using the drill to start it. It's like my own little electric starter. Free lawnmowers, they're the best.